Okay. All right. So at least there's a content. I have been recording earlier and I was trying the Albion again. And it's another faction warfare as usual. And oh, he dead. So we are at yellow zone and all right. So let's see. Okay, can we? All right. Alright, so ano muna, laban. Tingnan natin. Roy. Saan ako dun, no? Okay, it's like a small scale. Damage. Okay, he's dead. Are they dead? Yeah, they're dead. So anyway, this is the faction warfare. Well, yun nga lang dahil it's a yellow zone, you don't die. You just respawn. And yeah, I was looking for fights earlier. So I had it took probably 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I went to red zone and then tried another way. Punta ako dito sa may Rowan Wood. And there was di ko lang na-record. So, this camps. This one. Okay, so pakita ka. So we'll go there. We'll try to go there and see how it goes. So once it's open, there's a timer every time. And actually, you can stay in this zone and then just do those faction camps. So this is what they're doing, and I'm trying to do as well. So you go look for these faction camps. Alright, it's done. So you look for that, you kill the mobs, and you open the chest. There's like a count. You have to kill a certain amount of mobs, and then you can open the chest. Good thing, ang napansin ko is opening the chest or contributing stuff. I mean, you can contribute by killing the mobs. Okay, they can come here. My faction group. So you kill the mobs and then regardless regardless whether you kill a lot, yeah, you can still get points or just yeah, you can open the chest. So yun siguro yung kinaganda niya kasi you will get rewards regardless. Okay, we can open it. Hindi ko lang alam saan ba yun. Yun. So you can get rewards as well like that. So even if you don't contribute much, I'm not sure if it's based on radius, but if you're in the area, you can open the chest and you can get something out of it. And I think that's good. So out of the 3 camps that I did, I got this tomes. It costs about 20,000. This one is 10,000. This one is 50,000 fame, and that is from these big camps. I think it's medium. So if we're gonna convert, it is based on um, the Tomo insights, which the traded or tradable one. I how much was it? I think it's 10,000. Oh no. Actually, we can check. I think it's before. Let's assume it's 10,000. I think. Let me try to remember. Cause oh, I get out. Wait, there's some. Yeah, it's weird. I can send it as a is as a bug, but I think one tome of insight that is tradable costs around 30-ish. Because I did buy those before. One stack is 999, so let's say 1000, and then it cost me about 30M. So let's say 30,000. So one for each 10,000 points or 10,000 fame we can get our book. So 10,000 fame book, it costs about 30. So this one already gave you about 150,000. Let's assume it's 10, so that's double. So 20. So that's 600k plus this one is 5, 150. So those 300. I already got about 1M worth of stuff. So that's fine, right? I mean, it's cool. Okay, I'm gonna kill him. Okay, did he die? Okay, let's go out. Anyway, with that means I have about 1M worth of loots based on. Okay, let's fight one up. Then our stuff. That's how you do it. Okay, there's someone bombing. Get out! Get out! Okay, this one's probably angry, so we go around here. Anyway, so I have about that uh, loot. So 1M worth of tomes, and I guess not bad, right? So I can just stay here in a certain zone and then get those fame. Though the only downside is since it's non-tradable, you cannot uh, sell it. You can get points, which is, I mean, not points. You can get fame, which is good. And aside from that, I guess that's it. So not bad, not bad. If your goal is to get fame, problem is you don't get any silver back if you need silver. Ano pa bang ano? With I'm not sure, probably with this bigger camp, you can get more items, I guess. It's not just those tomes that are non-tradable. Also, well, you can get function points, which you can probably trade for something you can sell, right? So that's the silver lining. No, that's it. I think that's the trade-off, I guess. So you can do those chests or camps, and then you can get points, and then trade them back for something you can sell for silvers if you need. All right, we are outnumbered. Right, let's see. Okay, we're gonna dismount here. Okay, he dead. Okay, he dead. That's a point. Where is he? Ah, I did not hit that. Alright, it's kind of fun for now. Um, since there are contents, there are some activities, and I mean, I can get some some fights, which is good. Oh, your healer! No, save them! Save them! Nice, that's how you do it. You did. You did. Come up. Alright, come on up. Okay. Lagi naman, pagka, ako bakit gano'n, ang ano nila is papunta, or palabas lagi yung, ano ba yan, yung direction. Actually, I can bait them. Hit me. Hit me. Oh no, he's not hitting me. Alright, so I was trying to bait them. Alright, that's it, I guess. Oh no! Now we have to go back. But I don't want to. Dito lang tayo. So yun lagi. Yung style naman kasi is most directions or most players would go there. So papunta lagi sila sa exit. And I would do is go the other way lagi. So if they're going for the exit, I'll stay and then move probably farther back into the zone and hope for the best, I guess. And probably no one will chase it. Someone's getting clapped. Alright, he's getting clapped. So we'll see. Okay, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for probably their reinforcement. And there's a respawn. Tapos pasok tayo kapag pumasok na sila. Their camp. That's the thing. If they're camp, I don't have cape anyway, so I cannot go through them. Get cleansed. So I cannot do that. I'll probably. Ooh, almost, brother. If I was able to cancel that, he will probably wait for 1 minute for the for this one. Wait, how come there's a? That's weird. Alright, I think that's weird. The journey back can be mitigated. I mean, the cooldown for journey back can be mitigated or lessened with the cooldown reduction. Alright, so they're moving up instead of going through the next zone. So we'll see what are they doing. Are they calling back? No. I want to kill this guy. They're not. Alright, guys, come here in this one. There's fight. You can come in. Get slow. Alright, sometimes it's fun to troll, but not most of the time. It depends on how you do it. If you're gonna troll wherein they will lose a lot, they will lose the gears, that's bad. But if in this case it's only yellow zone, they will just lose durability, nothing else. So I can just troll them. Okay, let's see. Alright. Okay, time to dismount. Demount, 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 demount on me. We're gonna clap them. We're gonna look north. We're gonna look north, alright? Hold. Back a bit, and then hold there. Hold on the spot, hold on the spot. Defense. Up your defense, boys. Defense. Okay, clap them. Nice. Alright, we're still fall back. Okay, we're still falling back. Oh no, help him. Nice. Alright. We're gonna fall back. Oh, crap. No. Okay, managed to jump out. Okay. So we're gonna move. Everyone mount up. Mount up if you can. If not, GG's. Right. So in the second uh, iteration of this faction war, what happened or what most people players do is just a fixed fight. So makikusap lang say okay, Limhurst and First Sterling will do a fixed fight in this area, and then they'll just do a back and forth. There's no really strategy that you can employ fighting in those scene or in those scenario, which is why it feels bad, uh, or it became bland. It became so boring to do faction warfare. So this time, there are tons of what do you call it? POI, point of interest. You can get some items. You can get a points as well. So maganda for now. At least the way I see it, maganda yung current update. But as I've said, I don't know kung hanggang kailan or uh, if in the long run is maganda pa rin siya. Alright, so medyo may ano lang, may ginawa. But anyway, So I'm still on the edge regarding the update. So my feedback still stands regarding faction warfare na I'm still or mas bet ko pa rin yung first iteration wherein Yellow Zone or the uh, outside of the Yellow Zone. Why am I sugarcoating it? But yeah, the Yellow Zone was a red zone basically. So it's a lethal. Maganda sana yon. Probably keep the blue zone as non-lethal. Siguro yun lang yung pwede na i-keep. But yellow zone is supposed to be a lethal. So mangyayari nun with these updates and with well actually it can get bad given how it's only lethal for faction group. Siguro para yun yung iniiwasan nila. But if it's lethal, or maybe just keep like two. So parang you have a yellow zone outside, dalawang yellow zone na parang sa gilid. Let's say just let's call it on the east. Okay, based on the on this one, let's say this northeast side is yellow zone and then southwest is yellow zone, non-lethal, and then the southeast or in this wait, oh my god. Alright, so mali pala. So yung ito yung northeast and then southwest yung yellow zone and then southeast side is the blue zone, which these three are non-lethal, and then yung northwest palabas, uh, let's just say na ano to yung sa city siya. Then yung palabas na yun pa northwest is yun yung red zone connected straight to Caerleon. So at least merong parang red zone doon, and I think yeah, that one is siguro talagang masasabi mong introduction to CVZ, a Black Zone CVZ, kasi you're fighting ano ka sir you're fighting for your life and still outside ng city yun, di ba? So you have red zone outside of the city, you have two yellow zone, and then you have a blue zone. Siguro mas maganda nga yung ganun eh. Kasi for sure yung mga ay for sure yung mga faction players and especially the veterans will come back. Yun lang naman yung tingin ko. So that's my feedback regarding the this one. So bad guys. Okay, we'll see. Hintay lang tayo ng ano. Bruh. Ito ba nakakano, heal me. Tapos nasa front line. Ooh. Ooh, that clap. Nakita niyo yun? Oh, sarap. Mulugan pa sa ulo. Okay, pahil na lang. Sir, pahil lang. So if you want to get heals, you go back. I have 2 seconds, hintay natin. Clap, clap. Oh, not that clap. Hintay tayo mag-clap. Ayan. Wala ba? Ulog. Aray ko. Sana. Okay, ano muna tayo? Uy! Don't dodge. Ooh! The clamp! Saan yung clamper? Kaya dapat pala cleanse na. Saan nga ako ng-cleanse? Oh, cleanse tayo. Para na may tulong. Clap, clap. Ito yung clapper. Nagpalakpak. Hindi naman. Ayan, sana. Tulungan mo. Pabuhay. Okay. Kabila tayo. Baka masalag dito. Oh, narinig ko na yan. Kanina hindi. Teka dyan, sir. Ba, nabuhay siya. Need mana. Wala ka ba? Okay, then. Ano ka, sir? Dito ka ngayon. Oh, di ba? Yabang. Yabang mo si. Wait lang. Oh, di ba? Ganun lang kasi yun. Pag-support. Wala na ako. So, wala akong defensive. So, wala akong ano. Isintay tayo. Labas sila. So, wala natin ma-retay ng ano na cooldowns. So, I think we're back. Turn to back. Oh, kulang ko muna. So, meron tayo. Ito slow natin. Pero takbo muna tayo. Back ng konti. Mount up ng konti. Wala pa. Palitan natin to. Oh, reinforcements! Hindi pala. Uy, parang kilala ko ta. Uy, sir, wait lang. Parang kilala ka ta. Yep. Lalaro pala yung para to. Crafter lang talaga yun eh. Pang ano tayo ng bonk. Cast time damage. Cooldowns, that's good. Di pa rin matapos ta. Kasi dati, pag ganito, minsan parang ang iba naboboard na nagsisialisan na parang medyo siguro dahil nag-try ulit yung mga dati naglalaro. Oh, they're getting up. Okay, we're getting club, boys. You're getting club. Slow. Getting club. Then you bonk. Bonk. Then you close them. Ay, makatakbo sir, no? Ete. Slow. Ingat lang. Lumayan pa sila. May pala. Eto na, sir. Hindi ko makatakbo na, sir. Bubong ka pa niya. Ito yun. This is the spot na nangyari. Tayuan lang. Paupusan. It's like a battle of attrition. So, Anyway, okay naman. Oh, talaga ba? Ano ba yun? Oh, we're pushing through. Okay. Siguro dahil, sabi ko nga, after nga kasi nun, in that part, dun na sila, na nabuboard to ay, wala na pala akong kakampi. Asa yung kakampi ko? Saan na napunta? Matay tuloy ako. Akala ko meron pa. Kami yung naubusan. Anong nangyari doon? Mali lang yung takbo ko. Mali yata yung takbo ko eh. Oh, ang layo. Well, I guess that's it. So, laban. So yeah, that's the faction warfare with fights and doing some of those camps. So even though if you're just doing camps, you can get fame or fame books. And if you're doing a royal continent na content like gathering or gathering, just doing some dungeons, even static, mas maganda is you flagged up tapos look for the camps. So yan naman, okay naman, at least meron ng mga point of interest other than outpost capping as well as fixed fight. So meron ng ibang mechanics. Yan nga lang, di ko tingnan yung aking points, but I think maganda naman. Taas naman yung naging points ko nun. And you can use these points to exchange for something you can sell if you need silver. Aside from that, so far maganda. We'll see after probably a few months, yun yung siguro yung makita natin kung maganda talaga yung faction warfare na bagong iteration niya. And that would be it. That's it for this Little Me Plays Faction Warfare. See you next time around. Ciao.